Hi, everyone. It's Cathy Sabater, mortgage planner and proud veteran. I'm here with one of our wonderful account executives from PRMG. And today we're going to talk about CalHFA. CalHFA. That means California. CalHFA. Adam, take it away.
Well, thank you, Cathy. CalHFA is a great down payment assistance program for the whole state of California, and it gives you a lot of options, whether it's conventional financing or FHA financing. It's for your first-time home buyer, and you can get down payment assistance for your down payment, but you can also get assistance for your additional closing costs that come with your purchase transaction.
Okay, everyone, you know what that means? CalHFA, Down Payment Assistance Program. Now, remember, you got to qualify for the loan, and we're here to help you. So if it takes us 2 months, 6 months, or 6 years, Adam and I are here for you. So give me a call at 619-846-2675.